Little milk carton, like we used to get at lunchtime, break time at school. It's fabulous, isn't it? And I like the little Bulldog Clip. You can pick these up on the internet. Just Google small Bulldog Clips and it gives you this fabulous milk carton opening like that. So you'll get really nice treats in there. And then you could, there's no point gluing it because then you won't be able to get in the box, and you don't want people to tear the box because they can use it for something else. So either magnets, or I do like the little Bulldog Clip. I think it's quite cute, especially if you're going to put, you know, like stationery stuff in there on your desk. Right, so this is the net, and these are the resize files. And you'll notice on the tabs at the top there's some perforation lines. They don't fold. That's just a guide as to where to put your magnets if that's what you want to do. All right, so don't be deceived thinking that they need folding, because they don't. So we've got the back and a side, and the front and a side, and that's it. The score lines are just the same as every other box. So everything that is vertical and horizontal is a mountain. Everything that is diagonal is a valley. Okay, so really simple. And then at the top you've got a perforation line that goes across. I just put a slit down the middle of there. There is a little perforation line. Just put a vertical slit down so it meets that horizontal score line. It's difficult to see on any colour card, but you'll see here. So that little slit there, I just put a cut line down there because I found it easier. So all we're going to do now is stick this together. Super simple. This is probably one of the easiest boxes that you'll ever make once you've got your score lines in. And then we're going to pop that on there like that. I'll make sure it's straight all the way up. Did that quite well. And then we're just going to take the backing off here. So 1, 2, 3, and then you can fold it in like this if you like. So I've moved it along so it's not like that anymore. I've turned it over. I fold the side with the sticky tab in and the other side over, and then just make sure that it's all lined up perfectly all the way down like that. Okay, and then your base folds in like this. So you're standing it up. Let's see which is the best way to show you there, like that. So you stand, that's your open box. You've got a solid piece there and a solid piece there, and then your diagonal pieces in there. So all you do is fold that in. It says fold that in. So the bit with the little tab goes inside like that. All right, and then you glue, put some glue on that tab and glue it down. Okay, let me just show you that again. So you've got a solid there with a tab and a solid there with the tab, but there's no perforation line because that tab doesn't fold. It folds in on itself like that. Yeah? So if you look there, you've got the triangle there and that folds in on itself. And then the lid does the same, but your two tabs do have a perforation line on them. And they fold in, and your box is going to want to kind of bevel in a little bit, so you need to make sure that you push those in while keeping this straight. Okay, and then you take your little Bulldog Clip, and that's your milk carton. So make sure that you know that where these tabs are here, the perforation ones with the perforation lines and the rounded corners are the top, and the ones that don't have a score line and are more geometric are at the bottom. And that is how you make your milk carton. And then you decorate it and make it look so pretty.